Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at spell token on the shorter time frames because there's not a whole lot of price history for this. What we're going to do first is take a fib retracement from this low to this high, and from this high right here to this low. You actually see something pretty interesting. We have a zone of support below us between the 618 on the micro fib and the 236 on the macro fib. So what I'm going to do is draw a little green box here to kind of highlight this area so we can clean up the chart a little bit. So in my opinion, we really need to find a bounce here and break this high to continue the upward momentum. If we do manage to break this high to the upside, I expect some heavy resistance within this range right here. In all reality, it should be probably all the way down to here, but I'm keeping it the way it is for now since we're nowhere close to it, just to kind of keep the chart cleaner. And, this range spans anywhere from 75 all the way up to 100. Let's keep an eye out for much below 40 here in the next couple days. If we do break below this, we could very well move all the way back down to this green box, which wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing. We could see something like this where we have a double bottom and it kind of slowly makes a W shape. And really breaking much below this, I'm going to have to call it a continuation of this previous downtrend. We take a look at the EMA ribbon as well as the Ichimoku cloud. You can see that we have actually broken bearish out of the cloud as well as the ribbon. The 200 EMA tried to give us support here, but we fell through it. So this right here isn't a great sign in my opinion, especially this Ichimoku cloud turning red. So we do manage to find a bounce here. We're going to have to fight the spread, the 200 EMA, as well as the Ichimoku cloud to make a move to the upside. I'm not saying that this isn't possible, especially if Bitcoin and the rest of the market starts to turn around, but it is a good thing to keep in mind that we do have some decent resistance above us. So to sum things up, if we move much below 40 here, we could very well see a move back down to 32. If we do find support at the 40 range, we could very well move all the way back up to this previous high if we break all of this resistance above us. And ultimately, if we start setting higher highs and higher lows here, our next stop is probably going to be anywhere between the 75 to 100 range at the top of this box. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so as I try to post content daily. As always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.